Hey guys, I've added following and followers to Gibber, the federated social network that we're building. Subscribe for progress. But now I'll show you what I've done. So you can see we're logged in as Monroe Programs as that profile. And then there's this follow button that we can then follow and also unfollow. And let's say when you follow someone, and then let's switch to that profile. Then when this person writes a post, this will go to the feed of followers. So let's go ahead and post that. And now let's switch back to Monroe Programs. Then, if we go to our homepage, you can see that post shows up in our feed. And also, let's say we make our own post like this, then that will show up in the feed too. So all of your followers and your own posts all of your following and your own posts will show up in your feed like that. And so let's get into how I actually implemented that. If you look in the username TSX dynamic route, then you will see there is these create friendship and delete friendship mutations that you can do. And when you just click the button, where is it? It's down here somewhere. So follow and unfollow button, it will toggle whether to unfollow or follow it. And calling that function, we just run that mutation, create friendship mutation or delete friendship mutation. And then we pass the profile ID, which is the profile ID that you're currently logged into, along with the followed ID that you want to, say that is the person that I'm now, like that's the person that the follow operation is done on, the followed ID. And if we actually look at those, that's in the profile route. And you can see that we just get the profile ID and the followed ID in the input. Then we check if the person has permission to the profile that they're using to make that follow request. And then we put in the followed person and then the follower, that'll be the person currently logged in. And then we check if that already exists. If it doesn't exist, then we increment the stats on the profiles. And then we also create that follow relation. And you can see that in the Prisma schema. It's just a model with, two sort of things. It has the followed, keeping track of who is the followed person, and then also the follower, keeping track of those. And then we just return the thing that was created, or if it already exists, return that data. And it's just the reverse for the delete friendship. So we just go through and we de-increment or decrement, and then we just delete the follow relationship if that exists. And this is using a composite unique key, just made up of the followed and the follower. And if you actually go back and look, you can see this is that key that is produced from these two, rows in that table, or columns, I mean. And then the next part is the feed. So if we look into, the post route, you can see there's this get feed by profile, which should be secured, but it's not right now. Anyone can get anyone's feed, but we basically just get all of the people that you are a follower of, and then your own ID, and then we just find all the posts with that. I haven't implemented, protected accounts, like private accounts and that sort of stuff, but that's coming in the future, so stay tuned for that. For now, I think this is, a quick and dirty, get it going, it's working sort of thing, and I'm pretty excited to see what we have next. If you look at the designs, I'm not sure what I'll do tomorrow, but I'm sure it'll be something good. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.